Welcome back. It is time to clean up my fuel tank. So without further ado, let's get right to it. First thing, I'll open the main fuel line to suck as much diesel out of the tank as possible. I'm attaching a small hose to the open end of the fuel line. The other end of this hose goes into an electric pump, which is used to suck the fuel out of its diesel bunker. It went quite well and I removed almost 20 liters. The tank is empty now. Time to get access to the tank itself. It is hidden under a trapdoor in the locker on the port side. To be able to clean the tank from the inside, I need to unscrew the feeding and return pipe, loosen two nuts which are securing the tank in its position, and then finally pull the tank forward to get access to the top of the tank itself. In the next video I will cut a hole in the top of the tank, install an inspection hatch. This gives me the possibility to clean the tank from the inside. I've started to grind off all loose parts from the damage protection layer of the Underwatership. I'm stripping the complete anti-fouling as well. Here you can see some footage of the current state. Last thing which I did was exchanging the anode from my engine. It is screwed onto a bolt which is then screwed into the cylinder head itself. The anode holder has a rectangular shape which makes it a bit tricky to find a fitting tool. I've ended up using a regular socket flipped 180 degrees and then using a star-shaped bit to apply force onto it. I wasn't surprised. There was no anode at all installed. Having a closer look, there are no remains as well. Nevertheless, everything looks still intact, so it's time to install the new anode. And this is how it should look like. And this is it. If you've enjoyed watching, support me and subscribe, like and share this video. Until the next time, see you.